This has to be one of the craziest YouTube stories of all time. A small creator with no team, no fancy production, and no big connections managed to completely break the YouTube game. I'm talking about Aprilynne Alter, the creator who figured out a strategy so smart it flipped the rules of YouTube upside down. And the wild part, this was all planned. You see, Aprilynne didn't just stumble on success. So how did she do it? Well, I dug into her story and it turns out she cracked a simple blueprint that anyone could use to grow a channel. This is the story of how Aprilynne Alter cracked the YouTube code with a strategy so clean, so genius that most creators completely overlooked it. It all starts with something that looks almost boring, a thumbnail. Aprilynne uses the same thumbnail format almost every time. Light gray background, big bold text, same structure, same style, over and over again. But here's the twist. This repetition becomes recognition. Every time her thumbnail popped up, your brain instantly whispered, "Oh, that's an Aprilynne video." What most creators called boring, she turned it into a brand. But that is just the first layer. Her viral breakthrough came with a video called "How to Make a Killer Intro." Now, she didn't invent the idea from scratch. She stole like an artist.
This is how to design and create a killer YouTube video to blow up your channel. Because 1 or 2 or 3 killer YouTube videos have the potential to dramatically change your channel forever. Look closely, because many creators got their big break because they had just one great video go viral. But what makes a great video? What do these successful creators know that we don't?
This is how to make a killer YouTube intro to blow up your channel. Watch closely because many creators got their big break from a single video going viral. And while your next video could be the one that blows up your channel, all of its potential could be wasted on the first 20 seconds. But what makes a good YouTube intro? What do these successful creators know that we don't?
Then there's her use of vibrant graphics, bright, saturated colors that pop against clean white backgrounds. They don't just decorate the video, like your eyes can't escape them. Aprilynne often reuses the same background music, especially in the first 30 to 60 seconds. It builds a sense of rhythm, a subconscious familiarity, almost like a theme song that tells your brain you are in an Aprilynne video now. And the details? Oh, the details are where she shines. In the opening 10 seconds, she uses white text typing on a black background, and right at the end, she switches a single word to red. That tiny contrast makes your brain stop and pay attention. But here's where she truly breaks the YouTube game. Her flow. She transitions seamlessly from one idea to the next. No clunky cut, no awkward pauses, just a river of thought that keeps carrying you forward. And as you float down that river, she's not just giving you tips, she's planting questions in your head. Wait, she makes you wonder, but wait, how does that work? What happens next? And then bam! She answers it one by one. That's why viewers can't click away. She builds a puzzle in your mind and then hands you the missing pieces step by step. So how did Aprilynne Alter break the YouTube game? She didn't chase trends. She built a system. She turned YouTube into a game of chess, and every single move was checkmate. If you want more videos like this, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye.